Okay, what time is it? 8:46 in the morning on Friday, December 11th. Shark literally ripped open her Christmas gift because she could smell the catnip. So we gave it to her early. Oh my gosh. O'clock now.
Okay, here's your
Trying to
center,
start this.
I guess.
It's
Where
very
do you just put
confusing.
these? Do you choose which ones you want to do?
Let me see your picture, honey.
I don't know. Maybe you choose where you want to do them? What do the directions say?
Cross stitch. Probably that's probably Han Solo.
Yeah, that's
I
Obi-Wan.
forget which one Obi-Wan Kenobi was. He's the old guy, the father of Darth
think
Vader
I
or
know?
somebody.
We
I
don't know.
either.
Alexa's
Yeah.
cutting the characters
Try
out.
this scissor, like I said, I cut easier.
Nerve-wracking. Just cut every single one.
I am.
Oh, I got Ben.
It's literally been 20 minutes of us trying to figure this out. Are you watching the whole movie?
No, I'm watching where it says, Luke, you're my father. Who's that? Ah! There's Darth Vader. Who's this dude? Why do they have lightsabers?
You're crazy. I almost think I'd just go with the way
Wait.
they have it.
Okay. Where is it at?
Who's that?
Alexa, where do they say it at?
Yeah.
It says skipped
That's
at
him.
something.
That's Luke?
That's Luke.
He has
Okay.
blonde hair in
Let me
here.
see
It says skipped at 3579.
That's the name of the channel.
Oh. 11:30. Finally got it started. Yay. Thanks. Very long line just for some Panda Express because it's right at lunchtime.
My mouth.
Nice story, Bob. Bob, you want to talk to the vlog?
Hey,
You guys want something to drink here?
No.
Here?
What do you want, Bob?
Wait.
hey, you see
I don't want
you see that thing in the front of that truck down by the grill? That's to plug it in to keep the oil warm.
Ah, nice. Why would you tell us
Not
that?
that you
Sarah,
really
you want
need it.
something to drink?
No, I just. Oh, hiccups.
Arthritis.
Look at the size of that thing. It doesn't even look that big
Bigger
on
than my
camera. It's huge.
They,
They're the Christmas ones, Mick. Why are you acting like you're on
my sister's
catnip?
running around like she's loopy.
Parkour, Alice? Mick's like, what the heck? Buster, what are you doing? Yeah, you look scared. 2:04 or 12:04? 2:04 p.m. on Saturday, December 12th, and that is the line to check out at Target. We're all the way back by the produce. We got some decent stuff. I got some mandarin oranges and chips. We got some dog treats. We don't have a dog though. It's for Tom's daughter. Her dog. And the line is just getting longer and longer as I stand here. The line is now to here. What?
You were getting
It only took about 10 minutes to get to a checkout lane. We're at one now. And we moved a lot faster than the self-checkout people.
What a test.
Go got red carded for punching you.
Yeah, because so apparently I fouled her.
big ass girl too.
Oh, no.
Seriously honking at me?
I can't imagine that
You,
they
like,
are.
see
If
these,
they seriously
Oh my
are,
gosh,
they
what
have
in
a
the
problem. There's a truck or something. I thought I saw. Yeah, truck
Semi.
over. Yep.
Oh.
How in the world?
He overcorrected.
Oh. So it's like 9:14 now. I'm making some red sauce pasta. In the last clip, that was a semi truck flipped over on the side. And this is how far I've gotten on my Star Wars thing.
Alec.
Almost done with the first one completely. I'm very excited.